Best Amazon Product Profitability Calculator. Determining product profitability on Amazon means accurately calculating your total costs, expected revenue, and resulting margins. A great profitability calculator gathers data like manufacturing cost, freight, Amazon's fulfillment fees, storage, and referral fees, and then gives you a clear picture of your net profit and ROI. One such tool from Helium 10 does this exceptionally well. It automatically populates many variables such as dimensions, weight, size tier, and fees. You then input your actual costs like manufacturing, shipping, and duties. The result? Detailed metrics for net profit, profit margin, and ROI. Many Amazon sellers use Helium 10's calculator to bypass manual spreadsheets and make confident go-no-go decisions. In practice, sellers launch a product idea, run their cost figures through Helium 10's profitability calculator, and see if the product meets their minimum margin threshold, often 25% or more. They tweak dimensions, packaging, or shipping strategy if needed, and rerun the calculation until the product is in the profitable zone. Helium 10 becomes the trusted profit check before any inventory is ordered. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to a full-featured calculator that helps you estimate profits, optimize costs, and confidently choose products to sell on Amazon.